Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 EV6 Kia, and we're going to do the chrome delete installation for the front grille here and for the bottom chrome deletes on the door. So this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular chrome color trim, and this is how it looks after the installation. As you can see, it changes the appearance on the vehicle. Link for the product will be down in the description below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we wipe any contaminants that the grille might have. That way when it comes to installing the decal, it's a clean installation, and also it reduces the chances of the film lifting due to the fact that it has dirt on the back of the adhesive. So we just have to make sure we clean it, and all I'm doing is just adding slip solution and wiping it with my microfiber towel. Once we finish cleaning the grille and making sure that it's dry, now we can start with the installation. So start off by aligning it to the edge where the cutout is for the grille. I use the middle section of the grille as a guide where I want to align this piece of the decal first. So just make sure you go and you're covering all of the chrome. So first go by each section. So once we finish installing the top piece and aligning it, we can move on to the middle piece, which is this curve here. So just make sure you're aligning the film to the curve. And just go all across. And then to ensure that the vinyl stays, we could apply heat. Once we have the top piece secured, now we can move on with tucking in the rest. You can start from the middle and just start squeegeeing and just helping the film curve to the design of the grille here. And you just rinse and repeat to this end. Okay, now we move on to this section. So we're just gonna get the strip and align it right where the cutout is, and then just go based on how the grille is designed. And now just grab your squeegee, start securing it in place, and then work your way to the bottom. And like I said, if you need to add heat to help the adhesive activate faster, you can. And then the excess material that you may have, you could just trim it off. And just seal it off with heat and you should be good. Rinse and repeat the same steps for this one to this one, since they're both the same. Now we move on to this section. So with this one, it's better to start off by aligning the piece to the design of the grille. So align it here and then align it to the top edge. That way it covers the chrome. So like that, and then the same steps we do here, we would do it on this end here. So I'll just show you how to go about this side. So it's just aligning it to the top edge like we did with the other ones, and then helping it with the curve, and then just tacking it down. And we would just do the same that we did here to the other end. Now that we secured the middle piece, all we need to do is just tack it down. So just squeegee all around and make sure we secure it, and then just start tucking in. And you can use heat, like I said, to help the adhesive activate. Okay, so before starting the installation, we need to make sure everything's clean. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this piece first. So basically the same steps that we did for the front grille, it's gonna be the same here. So just make sure you align it right to this edge and just tack it down. And then help it with the curve, because it does have a deep curve like the front. So just help it tack down. And then once you have it tacked down, we can start helping it mold to the curve. So same steps we did here, we'll just rinse and repeat for the bottom piece. So it's just rinse and repeating the same steps. And just align it to the top. Use the top as a guide. And just squeegee to secure it in place, and then help it curve. And this piece, trim off. And just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did here for the bottom piece. And the last thing to do is just add heat to secure it in place. Now we move on to this. Okay, and with this one, you want to start off with the curve here first. So align the pointy part right on the edge and then help it mold. And then once you have that spot secured, then you just continue on following the top edge and just aligning it to the chrome. Once you have it secured on the top, just start squeegeeing everything down. We're gonna help it with the curve. So right here, just help it and then start curving it little by little. And then before adding the other piece, we're gonna add heat. That way the film stays secured to the trim here. And then you would just rinse and repeat the same steps we did here to the bottom piece. So same for this piece, we did the chrome pre-cut for this one and for this piece here. So you just want to make sure we wipe it off before doing the installation. So with this one, it's more simple. We're going to need to align it to the edge here, place it down, and then you can start proceeding and tacking down the rest little by little, but making sure you still cover the chrome. This part we're just going to trim off, but everything else we just tack down with heat. And then you just move on to the next one, which is this one here. Okay, so with this one, you can start from either end, just as long as you align it. So we're gonna start off here. And the same steps like every other chrome. Is just aligning it to the top first. That way it stays aligned and you cover the chrome. And then just the excess material, we'll just trim it off. And then just seal it off with heat and you're done. Okay, so that concludes the video for the chrome deletes for the Kia EV6. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.